guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have something here and I think a lot of people know what these little silhouettes are. This is from Disney Europe store, Disneystore Europe, one of those two. And I saw some things that I really wanted because there were a lot of things on sale, and earlier on I already purchased some things and now I just wanted some more. So this time I decided to show you and do a little unboxing. So, and also in this unboxing is a second unboxing. So there's the unboxing of the unboxing thing. So it sounds very difficult, but I'm just going to start with unboxing this one. The first thing I'm going to show you, it's all wrapped up in stuff. Wait. I was questioning this one for a long time, but thanks to Gary C, I bought one. It's a little Mickey Nemo, I think. Nemo? I don't know exactly how to say it, but I think these are so cute, and they also have like a lot of different clothes that you can put on him. So, and it was on sale, so I really had to get this one. So it's so cute and it's very soft. Ooh. Okay, so I am already seeing that Disney gave me a little present because I got another one. Okay, so I am sure I only purchased one, but now he has a little friend. Yay! Okay, so the last things in here are pins. That's why I'm going to unbox again, because these are the Lightyear pins, and I have to say I still haven't seen the movie yet, but these mystery pins were on sale and I can use these to trade in the park. So let's unbox these. Okay, so this is how the box looks, and here on the side you can see the different pins you can get, and in one little box are two different pins. Okay, so these two are like in mint condition in this box. Something happens with this box. Don't know what, but Okay, so for this first one, we got... Ooh! Oh, this is a pretty cool pin. I really love the colors. And this is the back, and it says the pin trading and a limited release. Okay, second one in this box is... Ooh! So the pin is not flat. You can see that there's a second layer on top of it. This is really cool. On to the second box. Okay, so for this one we got... I recognize the shape. It's a duplicate. Now, for the second one from this box. And... duplicate. Okay. Now I'm curious if these two are also going to be in this one. Let's go. Oh, it's a different one. Wait. Ooh. Oh, yeah? No, so... Okay, so this is a really cool one just to pin on your jacket. Star Command. And the last mystery pin is going to be... Really? Okay, so what I got from this mystery pin thing were 3 of these, 2 of these, and one really cool one, it's this one. So, as I said, it does not really matter because I'm going to trade them with some cast members in the park. But it would have been nice to show you some different ones, but at least we had 3 different ones. And I got a little friend for my Nemo. So I'm just going to think about what I'm going to do with 2 of these. But thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this little unboxing video of the Mickeys and the mystery pins. And hopefully I will see you next time. Okay, so I told you earlier on I already purchased something from the Disney store, and I'm going to show you what it is. These are the tiki mugs that I really wanted in the park, if you have seen that vlog. And I love them so much, but I thought they were too expensive. And now they were on sale, so of course I had to get them. And I got two because we have them in our little liquor cabinet thing. So these are so cool. I love them.